Whoa, when girl at girl actor, when girl come out proper. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Wagwan. You can go on ahead and subscribe down below. If you can't already tell by the title, this is a get ready with me in a partial Jamaican patois, because it's gonna be mixed with Jamaican patois and standard English, and I don't know. And also this video will be about tips or advice on how to start your YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna give us some advice, my journey being on YouTube, and yeah, the whole works, along with giving you face. So I'll be talking while I do my makeup. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because I'm already there. If you're already there, you go watch the video, just subscribe to the channel and go watch some other video, click through my one bag of things I've won. And also I will leave the info for this here for you guys down below. I did a tutorial. If it's not up as yet, I will leave the link right as soon as it is done in the description box, or you could just turn on the post notifications and see when the video is uploaded. Now, without further rambling, let's get straight into the video. Guys, I can't be real with you now. Just a while ago, a piece of drowsiness hold me. I nearly say, you know what? I just gotta go to my bed, I gotta take a nap, and then I gotta do the video, but I say, no girl. If I take a nap, I'm not gonna wake up until the next day, so I wait till I just do my video. We're not entertaining drowsiness, we're not entertaining laziness. For 2019, I'm just gonna prime, and then we're gonna just get straight into the video. So the beginning of the new year, or every year, people set out different goals. We'll create a resolution, we'll get ideas, you know, things we want to accomplish for the year, what we want to get done, where we see ourselves by the end of the year. And one of those goals for a lot of people is embarking on a new journey, whether it be, let's say you want to create a business, get a job opportunity, and for some, creating a YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people, you have it by your head, say, yes, this is going to be the year when I finally decide for do my channel. And then when say you finally decide, say you're going to create a channel, you make up a bag of excuse why you can't do it. And to be honest, that was me just a couple of years ago. I had the idea of starting a YouTube channel a whole year before I actually uploaded my first video. Because at first, like, when I record a video, I say, girl, this not reach nowhere. So I never bother upload the very first video that I created. And it was a whole nother year during this time that I decide, so you know what? I'm just gonna do it. It's great to start it like fresh in the new year, because you know, ideas fresh by your head, you actually feel motivated to actually do something this time of the year. Even though a lot of people quit midway when them start things, but this is the time when you're the freshest with ideas. So now I'm gonna tell you how it started. So when I start my YouTube channel, I never have a camera. I didn't have a MacBook. I don't know why people have this conception that you have to have a MacBook for be able to have a YouTube channel or a successful YouTube channel. I never have no lights. I never have nothing for start YouTube channel. It's not like some I never have my own money from my job that I was doing to pay for equipment. But I say, like, I don't know if this thing I gonna be sustainable. I don't know if I'm gonna make money from it. I don't know when I'm gonna get out of this. So I'm not gonna spend big money for nothing. Lights not cheap, camera not cheap, equipment don't cheap. So I say, I'm not spend my money. I never have money like that for spend on equipment. When I just start my channel, I literally use, when I start my channel, this is gonna make this is gonna make 2 years. In February, I'm gonna make 2 years officially that I've had a YouTube channel. But I never have nothing. Literally, my first video was recorded on an iPad. It wasn't even my iPad, it was my sister's iPad. And at the time, I had an iPhone, but it was an iPhone 6. I just feel like the video quality wasn't as good as it would have looked on the iPad. It was an iPad Air sitting. And this year, this January makes it 1 year that I do YouTube full time. This is my full time job, and this is where I make my 2nd year being on YouTube, having a YouTube channel. So anyway, so on probably I wonder, alright sis, you never have no camera, you never have no light, you never have no MacBook, like, oh, you get the channel up and running. Yeah. But whatever phone you have, or if you can't even borrow your friend iPhone, or some other parents probably have a good iPhone. Not even say just iPhone, because you have phones out there with great quality, like LG and Google phones and them something. So if you have access to a good phone, and nowadays camera are cheaper than some of them iPhone, you know. But anyways, if you have access to a phone, like you already have a phone with good quality or whatever, start your video with whatever you have. To this day, I'm still a struggle with making very good quality videos. I'm still a learn, and each year I'm gonna try for upgrade. So I'm gonna try for upgrade as I go along with my channel. My very first video quality was not hot, sis. It was not hot at all, but I was so proud of that video. Like to this day, I'm gonna go up on a video, I'm a cringe a little bit for look at the video, but me as a girl, how far y'all come from? Y'all come from far. In a look of 2 years and when you do this thing, you're going with things. I'm proud of myself. You don't have to start YouTube on a $1,000 budget. You can start with $0.00. You don't have to have all these big things. I mean, you want to upgrade over time, and that will come in time. But for when you're starting, you don't need to have money like that. You don't need to have money. You can't start with a zero budget. I used the iPad for like 6 months, and this was 2000 and which year winner? I used the iPad in 2017, and I didn't have any lights at all, like no lights. I had to use natural light, and for telling a joke, is a shoe box I use for create my own box light. Yes, it's a shoe box. Like I use a bulb, when I use a lamp, like a broken lamp I have, and a shoe box, and I watched a video on how to create your own box light on YouTube. Well, no, I was trying to create a ring light, but I couldn't get all the stuff from Amazon to create the ring light. So I just create my own box light. I get the lamp, I put the bulb in the lamp, I get the brightest bulb I could find, LED bulb, and then I use a shoe box, I tape it up, I do one bag of things, and then put sandpaper over the box and created my own box light. And I was using that for like a good while until I get my very first paycheck from YouTube after 3 months. I used the shoe box light and the iPad Air to create my video that is at over 2 million views now. That video alone was living proof that the whole production cost me $0.00, and the video is over 2 million views in a year. I did not use my own money to buy a new camera, to buy ring light, to buy box light, none of that. I waited until the channel gave me a revenue, and I put the revenue back into the channel. So I never used no money on this. I buy my first set of soft box light with my first YouTube check, and it wasn't even much. It wasn't really anything at all. It was just money that was accumulated over the first 3 months. I buy the box light, but I'm still gonna use the iPad, and I just create videos sis. And the thing is, if you come on this for just have the mindset for say I just money you want, because I watched enough videos like this to know that money not just come like that from just say, oh, I'm gonna sit down and just do this. Unless your video pop off, your channel pop off already popular or something, I don't know. But you have to come in it with for just say you come for have fun, and that's what I wanted. I didn't know so this is something definitely I'm gonna enjoy doing. I just enjoy the video production, I enjoy editing, I just enjoy everything. And that's the next thing, I edited with iMovie that came with the iPad, so I didn't have to buy like editing software. I'll be using Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Chai. Now that you don't need to have a budget to actually start the channel and that is out of the way, now you need to decide what kind of video you're gonna produce. Now most times this is very easy to decide depending on your personality, what you like to do. And to be honest, you can do just about anything on YouTube, because you can literally come on here, sit and eat food, people will watch you. You don't have to have a particular talent to be on YouTube and to be a successful YouTuber. You could vlog your life if you feel like, you know, that's something people would want to see, or you can do makeup if you're really good at that. People say, oh, it's congested. A lot of girls are doing natural hair videos on YouTube, all of that, which is true. A lot of people come on here, a lot of people are on here. Even when I started out, I was like, do I really need to be on here doing this? Because there's 1,000,001 girls already on here that's doing the exact same thing that I'm doing. But what separates you from everybody else is you. You are different. You might be doing the same concept, but maybe your style is different, maybe your personality is different, your hair type could be different, the style of your makeup could be different, your lifestyle is different. Just what you do is different from what everybody else is doing, believe it or not. Like, you just influence a particular set of people. To be honest, I thought my channel was going to be a story time channel, because there was like a lot of like instances in my life that I thought would be like really funny stories, but I realized that my hair videos really kicked off on my channel. Like, people at the beginning enjoyed my story time, but I noticed that my natural hair and protective styling videos they were really taking off. So I was like, you know what, let me focus on what is appealing to everybody, and that's how the channel grew. Like, people ask, okay, in terms of promotion, I've never went to another YouTuber and asked them to put me on. Like, I've never done that before. All you have to do is firstly get your friends and your family to actually watch your videos, because if them not interested, who are interested in your video, your first line or your first team of promoters is your friend. Okay, if you have a friend, you have a YouTube channel, and them can't promote or them can't spread the word, it's not your real friend. It's not your friend if them can't subscribe to your channel and share your video. So first of all, that's your first line of promotion. Your friends, you pushing your videos. Come on, push my video them hard on Facebook, when you push it hard on Instagram. When you push it, then you have a consistent audience-ish in a sense, and then you have to go make the audience find you. So how I did that, people always say like, how you get like views and things like that. Man, I do nothing out of the ordinary. I just share on my Instagram, I share on my Facebook, and then gradually I realized that people found me. Like, man, I don't go out and search for nobody. It's just how YouTube works. Sometimes them put, man, I know how YouTube work with them video recommendation and all of that, but like sometimes you create video, a particular set of people or a group of people I look for. Like for somebody have natural hair videos, I know say girls out there I look protective styling, girls out there I look for different ways to treat them hair. And sometimes you must always make sure say every video where you do, don't half-ass it, like your granny would have said. Make sure you put your all in every single video, because sometimes when one video get recommendation and people just like you just like that, them gravitate to your personality, and them end up just look for your other video them just because them end up binge watching your videos because of this first impression. And that is how you build your audience. People see one video and them like you, them see one video, and if the video terrible or if them just never like your personality or whatever, them not go watch again. People like being able to relate to you, so make sure say you're relatable, your personality up there. And to make my face, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Oh, my eye, under my eye are creased. Oh, no, girl, what is you doing? And that is basically the gist of starting out on a zero budget. So yes, sis, don't be lazy. Don't say, oh my god, I want to but I don't know. Just do the damn thing. What's the worst that could happen? And it's honestly something you can grow from. You never know until you try. Now it is time for my eye makeup. I don't know what I wanted today, but I feel purple-ish. So I'm using my Morphe 35M palette. So I'm going to start with this purple here. I forgot to prime or conceal or whatever my eyelid. This is what you do. Make sure the color pop out. I especially know or get messages from my Jamaican people, like, you know, them and know if them can start the channel. You can start a YouTube channel anywhere in the world, sis. It's global. Everybody all over the world do it, okay? You want to make sure say you can be seen on a global level, because at the end of the day, you try make your channel as big and authentic you. And that was one of the things that I made sure that I wanted to make sure that I had my Jamaican elements in my channel. Even though I didn't want my channel to be like a country like a particular country base, but everybody knew I was Jamaican. Some of my Caribbean people. It wasn't just say Jamaican people. I have Caribbean, all of my Trinidad, my Bajan, all of my island, St. Lucian, I have Grenadians, I have the St. Kitts people, the Anguilla people, Virgin Island people, Guyana people, everybody, Brazilians. I have my African, I have my Ghanaian, Nigerian. We got everybody. So at the end of the day, even though I'm Jamaican, I'm gonna live in Toronto, but you just want to make sure so my channel couldn't reach as much people as possible. So even though I'm gonna make sure say reach by, I love talk Patois, but at the end of the day I have to make sure say a lot of people still understand what me I say. So that's one of the things that you want to think. But if it's just a Jamaican audience or Caribbean audience you want, or if you want the channel to be bigger than that. So when I use a purple, I'm gonna open the purple, come on good. I'm going to use this dark purple here. So we're gonna go in the whoa, good in. Let me sit up now, girl. Well, I'm gonna use my blending brush. Oh god, I'm gonna use my blending brush for this. Oh gosh, this darky. I reckon some should I start from and then working at the crease. Okay, so we just blend that out real nice. What a disaster that would have been. Alright, I never did exactly want it to be so dark, but I am fine with it. Now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use this. What color is this? It looks like a champagne type of color, so that's what we're gonna use in the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna blend it out better, don't worry. So after I've done that, I'm gonna go back in with the lighter purple just to make sure the transition blend better. So I'm just lightly touching that up. So I'm gonna use my blending brush again just for clean up out here. Make sure it blend good. Okay sis, come true now. Now I'm going to take my Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Balm highlight. I'm going to use the same brush and just dig it up a little bit. Forget the color off it. And this is just to make it sparkle just a little bit more, you know. Just a little bit more once it sparkle. And not really sparkle, but just to add a little diamond flavor, you know. So this is basically it for my eyes. Or my eyeshadow rather. I'm just gonna put on some liner and then put on my lashes, and we're done with the eyeshadow. Now it is past time to remove this excess powder off of my face. And my normal look a bit chalky right now, but once I use a setting spray, everything will just melt together. So to set my face, I will be using the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. Jesus, that went on my eye. How may hear me I say. Okay, I'm gonna try it on my bottom lids. I forgot. How am I forget that? I'm gonna use a darker purple. This for put on my lower lids. Actually, I'm gonna usually put on makeup on my lower lid. I just want this look to be a little bit more dramatic. Now I'm just gonna line my lip with this NYX lip pencil. It's the matte suede lip liner. Make sure I'm gonna get open at the corners. I'm a lip big. Now for lips, usually I'm gonna wear a lip gloss or something, but today I'm trying the new Fenty. This is a new Fenty lip color. So it's a purple, it's a dark purple. So this is what it looks like. Okay, sis, look you're gone, so. So this is my first time actually I wear it. When I just buy it, my mom decided to borrow it. But this is the first time I'm wearing it on myself and I like it. So I'm going to use my MAC Oh Darling highlighter. I'm just putting it there on my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. And then I'm gonna also go in with the Fenty Diamond Balm highlight. I'm gonna use some just to be a little bit extra, you know, because I live to be a little bit more extra. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you. I hope say wanna subscribe already. Make sure to like the video, share the video, all of that good stuff. If I don't want some of the more videos like this in terms of more talking videos about my YouTube journey, more advice, more Jamaican Patois videos. If you wanna have other suggestions for other videos, let me know down below in the comment section. I actually love how this makeup turned out. Like, this is banging. If you want to see this hair tutorial, I did do a video on this hair. It is from, where do I get an area from? This hair is from hergivenhair.com, and I did do a tutorial on this look, so look out for that. It will be posted after this video, so make sure to have on post notifications on so that you can see this tutorial. I will leave the link to the video once it's up in the description box down below. You don't know, I just love all the area I pop and I go on with a bag of things. This Fenty lipstick is so bomb. And now it is time for today's featured subscriber of the video, and it goes to Winnie. Thank you so much for being a part of the notification gang and showing me your love. I love your support and I appreciate you so much. If you want to be a featured subscriber in my next video, all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, have your post notification on, or my post notification on rather. I don't even know how I'm supposed to word that. Make sure that you have the post notifications on for my channel, and also spam the comment section so that I can see you and feel your love, and you will be the next featured subscriber. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Damn That's Chev, and I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.